see all of them.
Okay, we'll put them in the middle. I think it'll be easy. I did not practice before this video at all, so I think I got it.
I think it'll be easy.
I don't know. I'm scared, actually.
Okay,
Alright.
so I have Piggy Pink on my nails right now, and then I'm going to go in with Bahama Blue to make like the outside of the flower.
I have Vacation on, and I'm gonna use Cove to do the dots, or for some dots. I don't know. I like the way how Orosa nail polish dries quickly because I'm very impatient, so.
I like that the Orosa nail polish has a lot of pigment, so you don't have to worry about going over the same thing twice.
Oh, it looks so cute!
The cool thing about Orosa's Instagram is that I can usually go there for like inspo for what I want to do with my nails, which I think is really cool. It's so cool because the second you're done with the first hand, you can already do your second coat. It's already dry. That's insane. There's like no nail polishes that can do that but Orosa.
Oh, yours look good. At first, I was a little shaky, but now I'm kind of getting the hang of it.
I'm writing my name in dots.
How? Your flowers look really good. Your name. The nail polish looks really good. Like, this is already dry. These are mine.
You're pretty. Oh my goodness.
So it's small, medium, large.
It's so cute. Very nice sticks.
Which size is your favorite? I kind of like the big ones.
Yeah, me too.
I did a lot better than I thought I would. At first I was a little shaky, but it was pretty easy, and I'm very good at it. I might go into this professionally, nail painting.
Well, I was expecting it to be like perfect on the first try, which it wasn't, which was really upsetting. I was ready for it to just be great, but it did turn out great, so. We are so excited and really amazed on how cool these colors and the packaging and everything together turned out. And we are so thankful that Orosa and us were able to create the Coastal Craze collection. I really love it. Can't wait for you guys to use it.